Hi, back. I'm Romeo Gligrov from Rugged Roots. It's 3:45 a.m. and be aware to don't drop something from your motorcycle, from your enduro adventure bike. So yeah, it's just a hint. I'm here in Alton and there are some guys which already work, so yeah, he must be waked up 1 a.m. Not like me at 3 a.m. but yeah, this is the life in Switzerland. No sleep, just work. Bye.